Top 5 mobile game in world. Number 5 Minecraft. Number 4 Call of Duty. Number 3 Battleground Mobile India.
September update patch notes preview. Greetings to all those playing Battlegrounds Mobile India. Here is the preview of our upcoming update. For every Indian player updating to the new version, we provide 2 classic crate coupons. You can also get the Cell Matrix lobby background item for watching the new update theme video, so do not miss the chance. Classic mod under the invasion of alien plants. Our new theme mod, Flora Menace mod, will be updated to Erangel on September 17th, Sanok on September 18th and Livik on September 22nd. And you can enter the mod by checking the mod checkbox. Alien plants called Jarilo will occupy some cities and build a special barrier. Do you think it is because plants are absorbing the energy from the city? Your health will slowly regenerate in the rejuvenation barrier when you are not engaging the opponents. A special system for fight against alien forces is coming. Gather Nakos on the field and press the button below the mini-map on the right to enter the Dynahex supply shop, where you can purchase diverse items for the battle. You can order advanced items like Garoza, Spetness helmet and backpack, and the ordered items will be delivered to your position via supply capsule. There is a Cell Matrix airship in the sky of Erangel, but the Cell Matrix, which to be the hope of escaping, is now out of control because of intruders. We should retrieve the Cell Matrix through battle. Cell Matrix appears only in Erangel, and you can enter Cell Matrix through beehive shaped spreading across the map. You can enter the cell only for a certain period when it's activated. Limited respawn chances are given in the Cell Matrix, and you should fight against the infected Cell Matrix robots and enemies. You can fight with the random weapons that changes in after a certain period. If your respawn chances expire, you are leaving the Cell Matrix and will be moved to the ground. You can find many Nakors in the Cell Matrix, and you can get Nakors by defeating the Cell Matrix robots, so please keep that in mind. If you go to the location marked as Cell Matrix robot on your mini-map, various robots including those with overwhelming firepower will come out from the capsules to attack you. Defeating them will give you items, so take it as a challenge and try to obtain items fast. Features from previous Mission Ignition mode including Riot Shield, Tactical Marking Device, Air Conveyor, ASM Abakan and Automatic Drop also appears in the new Flora Menace mod, so make good use of them in your battle. Have you found a strange item in the Flora Menace mod? Keep it well. If you enter the Fatal Contamination event through the lobby banner, you can sell Epic Purple, Wine and Jarilo Specimen, which are samples found only in the Flora Menace mod. Sell them to Anna to get research.
Number 2 Garena Free Fire. Number 1 Garena Free Fire Max.